Setting up a new office or expanding the current one can be chaotic because it requires managing multiple vendors, technologies and devices. This comes with huge initial cost and annual maintenance charges, as you must buy expensive gear like IPPX and then ensure that all systems talk to each other. Tata Tele Business Services offers Smart Office, which is a one-stop shop solution for all the communication needs for any business. You could be a car dealership or a stock trader or a mini service center. With Smart Office, you don't need to own a device or pay AMCs to maintain that device. It can be scaled easily as your business grows or relocates. Smart Office is the perfect blend of voice, data, storage and apps in one single box. You can greet all your customers with pre-recorded messages. Whether you are making or receiving calls, Smart Office is smarter than using multiple separate mobile or landline numbers. Let me explain how. You can decide to show a single number for all outgoing calls, so it's easy for your clients to remember you. You can also choose to display multiple numbers if your business needs it. This facility also allows you to receive simultaneous calls on one pilot number, so you don't miss any important business. You save costs and improve productivity. With Smart Office, you can record all internal and external calls for monitoring. Plus, there is a live bargain in an ongoing call. There is IVR to greet incoming calls. You can also define time-based IVR. If a worker is out in the field, she has an option to forward calls from her desk to the mobile. The Softphone app allows you to transform your smartphones into a desk phone. Without any wiring hassles, you can connect to the Smart Office SIP trunk as long as you are within the office Wi-Fi range. There is a built-in firewall to block ping, whitelist or blacklist IPs. You can add an external firewall for evolved use cases. Smart Office can be bundled with audio conferencing system, document management system, customer relationship management and toll-free services. Transform any business courier service or a financial service center into a smart business with the Smart Office box from Tata Tele Business Services. Contact the Tata Tele Business Services team today.